Hello friends, we will discuss today about PMM1, PMM2, PMM3 and some questions. So PMM1, it states that the perpetual motion machine of first kind violates the first law of thermodynamics. It produces mechanical work without any energy being input. So this violates the principle of law of conservation of energy. Basically, first law states that energy can be converted into one form to another form. So heat can be converted into work. So perpetual motion machine of first kind, here heat input is 0 and it is producing mechanical work continuously without any energy being input into the system. So it violates first law of thermodynamics. So this is PMM1. PMM2. While PMM2 states that a machine which could produce work while continuously absorbing heat from a reservoir source. So if this is our source and heat addition is Q, so it is producing work W without any heat is rejected to the sink. So it is violating second law of thermodynamics. The Kelvin-Planck statement of second law states that in any engine, heat engine, it is impossible to produce work in a complete cycle while dealing with a single body at a fixed temperature. So this is our single body, that is source, and it is producing work continuously without any heat being rejected to the other reservoir. So is it violating first law of thermodynamics? The answer is no, because heat is converted into work. So it is not violating our first law of thermodynamics, but it is violating our second law of thermodynamics. So it is also stating that heat engine cannot have an efficiency of 100% because complete conversion of heat into work is not possible. So we can also say that complete conversion of low grade energy, heat is a low grade energy, is impossible to the high grade energy, that is work. PMM3, such machine when set in motion operates continuously without slowing down. It will be slowing down without slowing down since there is assumed to be a complete absence of friction. So in PMM3 we assume the friction is 0. There is no friction in the rubbing parts. So the work is producing continuously and it does not violate our first and second law of thermodynamics. So this is PMM3. So now we will have some question. No machine would continuously supply work without expenditure of some other form of energy. Reason, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can only be transformed from one form to another. So no machine would continuously supply work without expenditure of some other form of energy. So its answer is A. So it is saying no machine would continuously supply work, that is our PMM1, without expenditure of some other form of energy. Suppose if Q is 0, it cannot produce work continuously. So this is correct. No machine would continuously supply work. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted into one form to another form. So it is correct. The correct answer is A. The continual motion of a movable device in the absence of friction. So this is PMM3. Violates first law of thermodynamics? No. Violates second law of thermodynamics? No. Is the perpetual motion machine of second kind? No, it is not second kind. Friction is related to third kind. PMM machine of third kind. So correct answer is D.